Hello lovelies, welcome back. If you're just joining us, this is Art by Julie E. I am Julie E. and this is Nate Bright Art's Art Lab collaboration, and we were challenged to pour over anything Christmas themed, and even if that's a canvas, you can pour over a canvas. Sparky got me this really cute Christmas tree to pour over, and I thought, oh, this is going to be kind of challenging but fun, right? Because it's got holes, but it's already got a mounted light fixture in it, so we don't really want the paint going in there and messing with the electronics and everything, and we don't want paint gooping down here and getting in the switch there. So we're going to have to tape this off and then plug all these holes, and then when we do, we're going to come back and we're going to pour over it. And our pouring medium is just going to be Elmer's school glue and water. Something simple, low cost, easy, and it's still going to last a lifetime. Just as long as any other pouring medium out there. So yeah, we got Elmer's school glue 70%, water 30%. Put it in a container, shake it to the point of consistency. Then we're going to add our colors to that. I'm going to be using golden fluid acrylics in chromium oxide green and Jenkins green. Then we're going to be using this little piggy, and this is their newer shade, the Black Forest. It's got a really pretty green blue kind of shift to it, and the same with Boastful, the stuck up piggy. So I'm going to use those side by side, kind of see if there's a difference between the two. I think this one is not going to have as much of that kind of green gold flash. I think this is mostly green and blue flash. This one's got a little bit of yellow in it and stuff, so we'll play around with that and find out, right? So those are going to be our colors. That's our medium. This is our project. I'll be back when I have this all taped off and plugged. I need gloves to clean my hands. Okay, we are back, and I have taped the base of this at the very bottom down here where you probably can't see, and I have plugged all the holes. I started out using little pieces of paper towel and wadding them up and twisting, and it was taking forever, and I thought, I wonder. So I took some of these little spongy swabs and snipped the handles off and gently laid them into the holes, and I think it's going to work. We'll see. We got both here. We can see which one works best. Now the plan is to put down the chromium oxide green first because it is an opaque. So I want that as my base coat. I got a little brush here to help me out with that. Then we're going to go in with our, let's say this is like a transparent or semi-transparent for the, where is it? There it is. Jenkins green. So we'll put that on next. And then we will drizzle our pigments. This one is the Black Forest one. From what I can tell, it's gorgeous, and they do look blue, but there is green in there, and that'll make a beautiful blue spruce. And the Sup, the Boastful, I already know what that looks like dry, but if you don't, and you see this in your cup, don't panic. You have to have faith that it will dry beautifully, because yeah, when I first saw that, I was like, oh, what's that gray goop? It's actually gorgeous when it dries. So we'll have fun with those. All right, I'm gonna put on some music and we'll get started. are going to put some snow around this bottom edge right down here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of got a little scalloped edge to it. And yeah, I just want to make it snowy. So I've still got my turntable. I used this when I sprayed the Camar on it. So it's got a coat of Camar on it to kind of seal it, to help for me bumping and scratching it and fun stuff like that. So yeah. What am I going to use for snow? I've never done anything like this before, so I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. I'm hoping it's going to work. Fingers crossed that it works. I watch a lot of Just Janice, and I'm hoping that I learned something from being her friend and subscriber. If you're not, what are you waiting for? Get over there and subscribe after this video. But I'm just gonna rough this edge up a little bit from the Camar that sealed it, just to give it a little bit of a tooth, to have the gel gloss and everything really be able to stick and cling to it, if that makes sense. Okay, and then we're gonna mix our snow. Let's see, this is glitter paste from Recollections. Just this glitter paste. Then we have this Deco Art Snow Tex. Never used it before, but apparently it's dangerous in the hands of minors because I got carded for it. Are teens going around flocking their graffiti now? I don't know why I got carded for it. That's odd. Oh boy. Then we have some actual extra fine glitter by Recollections also. This is snow. Very appropriate, right? I got these all at Michael's. And then Recollections, this is a polyester glitter. And it looked cool because it looked chunky. It looked kind of chunky. And it's like, I don't know, it's like rubbery, flaky, kind of weird stuff. So I thought that would be really cool too. We'll see. And we're gonna start out with some super heavy gloss gel in our cup, and then we'll add all this fun, funky stuff to it as we go. want to thank Nate Bright Art for having such fun challenges each month for all of us in his art lab. And please check out my description below for a playlist of everyone that's participating this month. You don't want to miss any of them. And until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!